Alright, a quick little video on the weBoost. We've been using this for a while. This is my buddy's RV. I've got the same system in my RV. I've just got it hooked up a little bit differently. So there's the weBoost, and it comes up here, mounts in the ceiling, straight down, because the signal is coming out. Anything in the front area is going to grab that cell phone signal and boost it up. And we've got the antenna. You see the cable going up to the roof. I'm going to take it up on the roof. And we got an omnidirectional antenna up there. And what's cool is we've got this little motorized arm that raises the antenna up and down. So that's what we're doing today. We're running wires and conduit and going to seal all that up to make that work a little bit more better. So up to the roof we go. Okay, up on the roof we are. We've kind of already got a little started here some. So here's the little antenna, and it's a diamond. I think it's a K9000. You can see it there, a diamond K9000. It's a cool little thing. So from inside the RV, he can flip a button and that thing will raise up. And so when he's around trees or anything, we can flip the button. The motor will pull the antenna back down, not cause any trouble. But we wanted a really good firm mount. So what we did, we got this really good stuff here, this 3M adhesive 5200. So you can see a little bit of it there. So we bonded this to it and went over this aluminum plate and screwed in short screws into this aluminum on the side of the RV. So it's really strong, sturdy mount. So it's not going anywhere. Got that done. Our next process, you can see we got conduit going all the way down the RV. So we want to protect these wires so they're not sitting out here baking in the sun. So we're running all that here in a few minutes. We're going to splice some wires and we'll do some testing, make sure it all works. Okay, just a tip. We're running this wire in 10-foot sections. So like the first 10-foot section, we shove the wire through, we glue it, then shove it through the next 10-foot section. So that way we're not trying to shove wire up through a 30-40 piece 3/4 conduit. That's what we're using. So we just see we got a section here. Last section we're going to glue. Come around to our little 90, sweep the 90 and tie up our wires. Anyway, that's what we're doing. Okay, little tip here, because we're making these electrical connections up here on the roof, which is going to be exposed to a lot of moisture. I like using this stuff right here, this liquid electrical tape, because instead of just tape, that is going to make a really good seal, completely seal out the moisture. And then also I even put it on the Coax connection around the threads where it enters the nut here. I sealed it up really good, so that should not give us any issues in the future. And then once it dries, I'm going to take these wires and tuck them up in this hole, and we're going to fill this full of silicone or something, whatever kind of sealant we've got up here to keep any water out of that conduit. And this is 3/4 conduit, by the way. Okay, you can see now what we've done. There's that 3M 5200. That is some great stuff. Put that on there. No screws, no nothing. It won't go anywhere. We've done that every 10 foot or so all the way down. So that is finished, and we're about ready to hook up some power and give a demonstration. Okay, I thought I'd explain why we're mounting the antenna all the way to the rear is we need separation between it and the transmitter, because this is actually designed for a residential house where you're going to have a lot of distance. Nice thing about this, it's going to has a little bit more power also, if you can deal with the separation and run the wire back here like this. And also we're mounting the antenna on the left hand side instead of the right hand side, because as you're going down the road, if there's any chance of catching a tree limb, it's going to be on this side. So by putting on this side, we lessen our chances for any damage, and the fact we can raise it up and down as needed. So that's going to work out pretty sweet. Alright, we got to do some adjusting. That's not going to be right there. Alright, but it is pretty cool how it works. You just got to do some fine tuning, and we'll try it again. Alright, now we got it fine tuned. So it closes down out of the way. That's sweet. And she comes up when you're driving down the road. But if you're getting around trees and stuff, you can always push the button, run it back down out of the way. That's a cool little device. One more time for good measure. All right. And also you can control the stroke of this thing. There's a little adjustment back here. This little part here, you can adjust how much stroke it has. But anyways, I think this job will be complete. Cool beans. Thanks for watching.